Welcome to Factic, your go-to place for everything cutting-edge in the world of tech. Today we're diving into something truly exciting, the latest leak and preview of DJI's upcoming compact drone, the DJI Flip 2. If you've been waiting for a drone that combines powerful flight capabilities, intuitive features, and a super portable design, the Flip 2 might just be the perfect fit. DJI has built a reputation for making drones that cater to everyone from hobbyists to seasoned aerial cinematographers. And the Flip 2 looks like it continues that tradition. What makes it stand out? It's the seamless mix of intelligent flight technology and a redesigned body that emphasizes both performance and portability. Whether you're just getting started with drones or you're an experienced pilot looking for your next upgrade, the Flip 2 looks like a highly versatile tool that doesn't skimp on quality. With new AI enhancements, a better camera system, and safety features to match, the Flip 2 is shaping up to be one of DJI's smartest releases yet. At first glance, the DJI Flip 2 appears deceptively simple, but under its compact exterior lies a sophisticated piece of drone engineering. One of its standout physical features is its new and improved folding design, which makes it extremely easy to carry and store. When fully opened, the drone measures approximately 300 by 300 by 80 millimeters, yet it weighs under 250 grams. This ultra-lightweight build isn't just about portability. It also helps the Flip 2 fall within drone regulations in many areas, making it more accessible for a wider range of users. The propellers are fully enclosed, offering a layer of protection for both the drone and the operator. This makes the Flip 2 a great option for indoor flights or flights in tight outdoor environments where safety is a concern. The compact body and aerodynamic shape allow for smooth, responsive flying with minimal drag. In terms of camera capabilities, DJI has made significant improvements. The Flip 2 is equipped with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor that supports 4K HDR video at 60 frames per second. The result? Stunningly sharp visuals, rich color depth, and smooth motion capture, even in challenging lighting conditions. For photography enthusiasts, the camera also supports RAW and DNG formats, giving more control and flexibility during post-editing. The lens has an 82.1-degree field of view and 4x digital zoom, allowing for everything from expansive landscape shots to more focused subject tracking. Powering the drone is a 3,110 mAh battery, delivering up to 30 minutes of flight time on a full charge. This gives you enough time for a productive flight session without constantly thinking about recharging. DJI has also introduced a multi-battery charging hub, which helps you prep several batteries at once. Perfect for creators who want to maximize their time in the air. Where the Flip 2 truly sets itself apart is in its advanced AI-driven flight features. The drone includes active track technology, allowing it to automatically follow a moving subject and keep it centered in the frame without user intervention. This is a dream for vloggers, cyclists, hikers, or anyone wanting dynamic, moving footage. Additionally, there's a suite of quick shot modes including Drone, Rocket, Circle, Helix, Boomerang, and Spotlight. Each of these flight patterns is designed to create cinematic-style shots at the press of a button, making it easy for users of any skill level to capture professional-looking footage. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The Flip 2's fully enclosed propellers reduce the chance of accidents, while built-in LED lights enhance visibility in low-light or dusk conditions. This is especially helpful for evening flights or indoor shoots where lighting can be a challenge. Another key feature is its enhanced wireless transmission system, which ensures a stable and responsive connection between the drone and the controller. This makes it easier to fly with confidence, even in environments where interference might otherwise disrupt the signal. The new controller design is also more ergonomic, giving pilots better grip and more comfort during extended use. The Flip 2 is expected to come in multiple configurations to suit different user needs, from a basic drone-only setup to an expanded bundle that includes accessories like a controller, additional batteries, a carrying case, and filters for creative control over lighting. Though we're still waiting for DJI's official announcement for final specs and features, everything we've seen so far indicates that the DJI Flip 2 could be one of the most well-rounded, travel-friendly drones released in recent years. It offers a fantastic mix of performance, creative tools, and intelligent features, all in a design that fits in your backpack. That wraps up our deep dive into what could be DJI's next big hit, the DJI Flip 2. From what we've seen, this compact drone brings together the best of DJI's engineering into a lightweight, user-friendly form factor. Whether you're filming breathtaking landscapes, tracking your adventures, or simply enjoying the joy of flight, the Flip 2 looks ready to deliver a rich and seamless experience. The addition of AI-powered flight modes, an upgraded camera system, and smart safety enhancements makes this drone a strong contender in the compact drone category. Its portability and ease of use mean it's great for travelers, creators, and even beginners who want high-end performance without the steep learning curve. What do you think about the DJI Flip 2? Does it check all the boxes for your drone needs? Or are you holding out for DJI's full reveal? Let us know your thoughts down in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And of course, if you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Factic for more in-depth tech reviews, product previews, and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.